I will invite all of you. We open our hearts to visit Gilgit Baltistan. You will see the true picture of Pakistan in Gilgit Baltistan. We are the great host. Gilgit Baltistan is the backbone of Pakistan's economy. The CPEC is game changer, not only Pakistan, whole region. Mr. Captain and Rohel Saab, thank you very much. I have nothing to say. And Shamas Zaman Saab, thank you very much. Finally you make it. And I will be very thankful. Lakshan Bibi, where are you? I need you to stand up, please. She is the first commercial pilot of Gilgit Baltistan. Give a big hand. Lakshan Bibi. She represents whole region. She is from Kalasha. And Mr. Tim, I recognize her here that she is one of the Greek heritage. Hope, and she is doing a big contribution to Gilgit Baltistan and Chatral. And hope Mr. Tim will make a charter airplane next year or this year. What do you think, sir?
We work together.
To work together, yes. Thank you very much. And thank you very much, Thompson. Please stand up. Here is a friend from Brazil, and all that double is from the Brazilian people. Thank you very much for coming here and encourage me. I hope in future you also stand for me. I will say nothing that much, but there are some more speakers, some more guests, and I have a very present friend of mine, Mr. Faisal. When he was little, he come to my store along with his father, and after 20 years, we met. He recognized me, I couldn't recognize, but thank you, Faisal, being here and encouraging us.
Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.